Welcome to the Office of Information Technology at Texas Southern University. In this short video, we will show you how easy it is to navigate MyTSU Finance according to your assigned university role. Let's begin. Within the MyTSU portal landing page, select Resources, then select Finance and Requisitions. Once the page displays, you will then see the My Finance dashboard. Within the dashboard, you will also see 6 intuitive and adaptive tiles, also known as shortcuts. Let's begin. My Finance Query. Here, administrators can easily create, view, share new budget, and payroll queries for encumbrances, budgets, and salary expenses. My Journals. Here, administrators can enter budget transfer requests or other allowed journal entries with supporting documentation. Approved documents. Here, approvers can search for a specific document to approve or view all the documents that are pending in a queue. Delete finance template. Administrators can delete any finance query, budget development, and purchase orders created in the My Finance Query card tile. Users can delete entry from Delete Finance Template card tile. My Requisitions. Administrators can create and view draft, pending, and completed requisitions and supporting documentation. Budget development. Administrators can create and review fiscal year operating budgets for the budget development process. This feature is only available for department leaders for making proposed budget changes and adjustments during the TSU's budget planning period. You have successfully completed the MyTSU Finance training.